ever before, we need a bridge between online and offline. When it comes to day-to-day delivery, especially the supply of essential goods. How can we empower our neighborhood kirana stores to not only survive but prosper? How can we help our customers to have the very best at their convenience? The answer to all this is JioMart. JioMart is built on two fundamentals. One, a powerful tech platform that would link the kiranas, the customers and the producers. Two, a widespread physical network of Reliance Retail.
In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, where customers are facing problems of delayed delivery, product unavailability and restricted movements, we rose to the occasion to serve customer needs for essentials. And for that, we launched JioMart beta version in more than 200 cities across India.
We at JioMart offer a huge variety of products. In addition to grocery, we will add fashion, electronics, pharmaceutical and healthcare products soon. We will also expand our business to many more cities across India, therefore extending our customer base. We will reduce our inefficiencies to provide a better value to the retail ecosystem. Within a few weeks of launch, JioMart has crossed 4 lakh orders a day, which is huge, and the number of orders are growing daily.
A unique solution that JioMart offers is to convert the Kirana's existing store in less than 48 hours. We have successfully plotted Kirana transformation, and those who have opted for this have been positively surprised.
Even during the lockdown, when most sources of supplies were disrupted, JioMart continued to serve its Kirana partners so that they in turn could serve their customers. So far, 11 global investors have bought 25.9% stake in Jio platform for rupees 1.18 lakh crore. These investments, along with 55,124 crore raised through a right issue, are helping Reliance Industries Limited achieve its aim of becoming a net debt-free company, due to which we are aiming to acquire 80% of the retail market. But why are we getting so much investment?
Jio is a part of Reliance Industries Limited, the largest company of India. Second, Jio is a market leader, and making investment in Jio before it gets listed in the stock market a few years from now would be a huge business benefit. JioMart mostly gets its investment from Reliance Industries, and investment from Facebook and Google are a big financial boom to JioMart.
Competitors like Amazon, Big Basket, Grofers, Swiggy is that we have our dual objectives prioritized. That is, first, to transform the idea of Kirana stores and provide customer delight. Let us first talk about the transformation in the world of Kirana stores. JioMart is built on the core values of enabling, empowering and engaging the Kiranas. The Kiranas will stay connected and transact with the consumers on our platform with the help of a multifunctional POS. As we say, customer aapka, support hamara. Kiranas will no longer face the problem of limited product range and delivery challenges. This will in turn grow their business and their earnings.
For customer delight, we deliver fresh produce with trusted suppliers right at your doorsteps, along with attractive prices and greater value of your purchase.
We at JioMart make it our first priority to give back to the society. Right now, all of us are going through some tough times. So, we along with our parent company, Reliance, have launched the Mission Anna Seva. Have a look at it.
Brahma. Through Mission Anna Seva, we will provide over 3 crore meals to marginalized communities and frontline workers across our nation.
This will be the largest meal distribution program ever undertaken by a corporate foundation anywhere in the world. Friends, it is our collective duty to do whatever it takes to help our people and our nation achieve victory in this fight against coronavirus.
जियो मार्ट ने इस लॉकडाउन में सबसे अच्छी सर्विस दिया है। दूसरी दुकानों पे जो सामान नहीं मिल पा रहा है वो हमारी दुकान पे मिल रहा है।
जियो पॉज ने हमारा 80% काम कम कर दिया गया है। अभी सिर्फ एक बटन दबाते ही हमारा सारा काम हो जाता है।
कस्टमर्स के लिए ऑफर्स, तो कस्टमर्स भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है वो प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने के लिए।
जियो मार्ट ने ये सबसे अच्छा से अच्छा धान्य खरीद के हमारी दुकान के सामने मंडी खड़ा कर दिया।